Catherine the Paint. Today I am going to get back to doing some blooms. It has been a while since I did many. I did one for Valentine's Day, but I had used up my house paint, and so I had to get another container of it. Got that today, and I'm excited to be getting back to the blooms. So let's just get this pillow paint down. And get going. Put a little bit more. There we go. All right. This is Liquitex Basics Pale Green. And this is Liquitex Basics Prism Violet. And this is Arteza. No, I think it's Liquitex Basics still. Like a turquoise. Yes. Yes, it is. And then I have a Primary Elements Northern Lights. That's kind of also a turquoisey, but it's got the sheen that really looks good on these blooms. All right. And I have my topper, which is Amsterdam white with floetrol and water and a little bit of the Minwax pre-wood stain conditioner. So let's just blow it out. All right, now look at those. Look at that action we got going there. So cool. All right, I'm gonna let that rise back up to the top and then we will tilt it. I'm gonna do 2 blooms today, so I'm gonna go ahead and put down my pillow paint on my second tile. All my materials will be listed below with everything I mix in to each step. On the pillow paint, it is the Sherwin Williams Captivate Interior Latex Semi-Gloss. I think it's called Extra White. And then I add a little floetrol to it, and then that's it. All right, well, no, still needs another second. All right, let's just start stretching it a little bit. I'm gonna go this way first. Wow, these colors are pretty stunning. Recipes. And I always come back to this one. I think the cells and the lacing is just incredible when you use the house. So really, it's not as expensive as the Amsterdam white would be if you were using it in mass. I use the Amsterdam white, but I just use it for the topper. So one container of that lasts forever too. All right, I'm just gonna shift this back to the middle. We are done with this one. There is a lot of lacing. All right, I'll set this one to the side. Switch it out. There we go. All right, I'm gonna do the colors in a different order this time. I think I will put the purple down and then the turquoise and then the green. How about that? I'm going to put the Liquitex Basics turquoise first, then I will put the primary elements, then I'll put the green on top of that. All right, now the topper or the cell activator. I like to use a generous amount of that. All right, now let's just blow it out. I kind of blow down and then out toward the corner, and then just kind of try to skim the colors out toward the corners. It makes it easier to spread it. And that's what we've got. Now we need to give it a couple minutes to rise back up to the top. All right, I think we are ready to start stretching. I'm gonna start this way. All right, always make sure your paint is shifted. I am so glad to have a new stock of supplies. I'm going to do a canvas with all right, well this was fun. It's a completely different result than the other one. I'm going to go off that way a little bit again. See how that looks. I will bring you in for a close-up and you can let me know which one you like better, the first one or the second one. I'll be right back. Here are the close-ups. Here's the first tile. Lots and lots of lacing. And here is the second tile. Alright guys, just let me know which one you like best. There they are. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.